Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this easy and simple Africa threads hairstyle. This hairstyle is perfect for summer. You can rock it, you can go anywhere you want to go with it, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Hair is already washed and clean. I just did hair treatment, like a hot oil treatment on my hair. So this is actually how my hair is first looking. I'm going to be putting using some of my hair DIYs that I did, like a hair butter that I just did not quite long in my channel. If you guys want to go and check it out, feel free to check it out. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting my hair in 3 sessions like this so that it will be easy to work with. So guys, if you are having a short hair, I think it would be a little bit easier because my hair is really rubber hair, as you guys can see. Thank God it was no tearing. Okay, I was really handling the parting carefully. So this is basically how my part is looking. I have it already parted, and then the first session that I'm going to be working with, I'm going to be cutting it the way I'm cutting it here. So if you have a rubber band, in this case, you can use a rubber band to secure it so that it doesn't disturb you while you are cutting the other part. Okay, so if you don't have a rubber band, you can just easily do it the way I'm doing it there. Just wrap it around, and then you can move on with the next. Yeah. So if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that red subscribing button. In this channel is all about how to grow your natural hair. I do a lot of how to grow natural hair ingredients, like natural ingredient to grow your hair in this channel. I throw fashion lifestyle. If you are interested, you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you like this hairstyle, please kindly leave me a comment. Okay, it's very easy. It's just that it takes a little bit of time to do, but trust me guys, you are gonna love it. After you make this hairstyle, you are gonna save some coins. Okay, you save some coins, yes. So yeah, this is me. I'm just cutting the part like this, the way I'm cutting the part, and then I will show you guys how I'm going to be threading the hair. Yes. So this is the wool that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to be using a thread. I'm going to be using a wool. Guys, this wool is so easy. Like, to be honest, I used it already. Like, I had this hairstyle for like a week, 2 weeks ago. I had the same, but it was actually not this style. Yeah, and after that, just cut your wool based on the length of your hair. You can cut it the length, cut it very long, and then you just go around and thread your hair with the wool. And it's very easy, guys. To be honest, it's so easy to make. The first time I made it, I was so impressed. I was like, wow. So also what you have to be careful is that don't make it too tight, because we don't want to have these bumps coming out of our head. You guys know that when we thread our hair back in the day in Africa, when it's too tight, and you can get all this rash. So we obviously don't want that on our head. Okay, so yeah, after threading, after having like 2 threads, all you need to do next, you're gonna open the third one. Just part it like that in the middle, the way I'm doing it, and then you are going to take the first thread that you already thread, and you put it inside, like in the middle, and then you are going to close it. And then after closing it, you take that first one, you can hold it all together, and you take another wool, like a thread, and you just thread it again together with that first one that you did. And trust me guys, it's gonna come out perfect. It's so easy. Like, when I mean easy, it's so easy. You just have to be crossing them. You take the first one that you did, and then later you can part the third one and just put the first one in the middle, and then you thread the hair together, and it's so easy peasy. Yeah. Like that. Okay, so just keep threading and keep threading and keep threading, and you're gonna get your perfect hairstyle. For me, it wasn't really that clean the part, because I wasn't having all this gel, and I also don't want it to put any gel on my hair at all. I just wanted to, you know, have my hair like this natural. And yeah, so if you guys have like all these edges control, you can actually use the edge controls to, you know, pat them, clean the part properly, and then your hair will come out perfect. When I mean perfect, it's going to come out perfect. Yeah, just give this hairstyle a try, guys. In this summer, you all know, sometimes we do get frustrated what to do, and I was actually thinking of doing a braid. I know the braid is gonna take me at least 2 days, so this actually took me like a half day. Yeah, with the oil treatments and all of that. So if it wasn't because I had oil treatment on my hair, of course this hairstyle would have taken me like maybe 40 minutes, and then it's just finished. Yeah, it's so easy. At least it can last you for 2 weeks, and you can keep the hair for 2 weeks, and you don't have to touch your hair, you don't have to manipulate your hair again for 2 weeks, which is gonna make life easier for you. Okay, so yeah, give it a try and you are going to love it. So I just went ahead to fast forward the rest, guys. As you guys can see, now I'm done with the first part. Like I said before, it's not too clean, okay? Because I wasn't even using mirror. I was just using the camera of my phone. So obviously it's really not clean, but you know, that's not what we want. I just wanted to have my hairstyle and to be free for this 2 weeks, okay? So yeah, just cut it, and this was actually the last part, and I went ahead to fast forward so that I don't keep you guys bored. Okay, so yeah, this was actually the last part that I just wanted to show you guys. It's still the same technique. You just first thread the second, like first and second part, and then when you are on the third part, then you can use the first one that you thread and just cut the third one in the middle, and use this first one, put it in the middle, and thread everything together. I hope that makes sense. I hope I'm saying it right. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here, guys. To be honest, it's very easy. Okay, just take the first one, put it in the middle of this third one, and then thread the hair. And this is actually how you have to just do all of the hair, and you will have your perfect easy peasy African wood thread for 2 weeks. Yes, and overall it will help you to grow your hair, and it will keep your hair from detangling. And yeah, so you all know that African threads also help to grow our hair. So this hairstyle is really perfect for this summer, to be honest. And yeah, it's very easy. Okay, yeah, so that's it, guys, and it's already finished. As you guys can see, it came out perfect. It's not bad. It's not bad looking at all. Like, I love the result. Okay, I wasn't having any mirror, nothing, but it still came out good. Okay, just give it a try, guys. Okay, give it a try, and after that you can trim the ends. You trim the rest of the wood. You can go ahead and apply some of your oil, hair oil. And yeah, I hope you guys like this hairstyle, this easy African thread. So at the end, you can just use you can just, you know, cross the rest of the hair inside the way I'm doing it here, or you can also use a pin to pin it down. And yeah, your hairstyle is easy, it's ready, like it's so easy to make. Okay, I hope you guys give it a try. And if you guys have used wool to thread your hair, or you have used like a normal thread, just drop me a comment down below, guys. Okay, if you would love to give this easy simple hairstyle a try, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you know you do, you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you all so much for your support, and I really appreciate your love and support. May God bless you as you keep supporting my channel. We are almost 3K, guys. Okay, yeah, let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Okay, yeah, so thank you all so much, and hope to catch you all on my next one. Much love. Bye bye.